I've always said this. There is always something to distract us as Igbo people. There's always something to distract Nigerian youths. Why are we always this distracted? At a time when the world has shifted its attention to the insecurity in Nigeria, at a time when global discussion is centered on the genocide against Christians in Nigeria, we've had 3 different kinds of distraction, especially among Igbo youths. At a time like this, when we are demanding to prepare for Monday's protest for the release of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi, at a time like this, Igbo youths have had 2 different kinds of distraction. First, it was very dark man fighting with B-Lord. And then Igbo youths jumped on it. They kept communicating, they kept tweeting, they kept making posts on all kinds of social media platforms. They were bantering each other, some for and some against. And then suddenly, this one. How do you justify this? That as a young man, as focused as we should be as a nation, the only thing that matters to you is the discussion of what happened in a married man's family with his wife. Even if they are celebrities, we should learn to place our priorities very right. The other day, Big Brother Nigeria just ended. That was another massive distraction. The youths are going through a lot. The nation is going through a lot. It is a time when the youth should come together and think. It is a time when the youth should come together and make decisions. It is a time when the youths can come together and demand good governance from the government. But no, it is a time for you to discuss what did Senator Ned Nwoko tell his wife? What did the wife reply him? What did they say? What led to the quarrel? What tweets has she made before that I will use to counter her now? What tweets has he made before that I will now bring up? I mean, who did this to us? People like Senator Ted Cruz, representing Texas, is bringing out his time in the US Parliament to debate the ongoing situation in Nigeria. So many young volunteers from America are trooping into Nigeria to come and investigate what they call genocide against Christians in Nigeria. But what matters to you, what you have made 4 or 5 tweets about today, is about Senator Ned Nwoko and his wife, Regina Daniels. Thank you, Odalo. You are promoting the Igbo cause very well. It's so sad and unfortunate that at a time when people like Omoyele Sowore, Dele Farotimi, and as many of them, Senator Adolfo Swabara, people as highly placed, people like Peter Obi, a lot of people have joined hands to say, let us come together on Monday to demand that they should release Nnamdi. You who has never made a post about it, you have tweeted up to 4 times concerning Regina Daniels and Senator Ned Nwoko. Kudos. I wish you all the best. But people always get the kind of government they deserve. Yes, the kind of government who sees us as unserious set of people. They just bring up one controversy and all of you jump into it. I don't know if you know the number of people who usually follow bandwagon. I don't know if you've heard about it. I don't know if you have heard about the mob mentality and who can be recruited into a mob. How many percent do you think it is? Tell me how many percent of people you think can be recruited into a mob. The herd mentality. Or what category of people do you think are into that herd mentality? What category? What percentage? 100%. No matter who you are, no matter how educated you are, no matter how enlightened you are, you can be recruited into a mob. So always watch it. Always watch it. What trends are you jumping on? What if tomorrow these people come out to say they were joking? Or it was serious, it is true, we are husbands and wife, we have reconciled. And then we have lost this opportunity to say, this is what we want from the Nigerian government. I'm using this opportunity to call on Nigerian youths, especially the Igbo youths. Ọkụkọ asị na ọmara ihe meni o ji abụ n'ọla mmiri onye anya enu. Ụnụ ma nye meni nu, ọ bụ na nye ga-akọwa menụ nụ maka na Igbo asị na onye nwe mma na atụtụ ilu kọwa na ya na-ego ji nne na n'iwi. Ọkụkọ asị na ọla mmiri onye anya enu maka na nye egbu na-esi enu abịa. As Igbo people, asị na onye ndị iro gbara gburugburu na-eche ndụ ya nche. Oge ị ga-eji wee che ndụ gị nche, i were ya na-akọ eri na social media. Making all kinds of useless and irresponsible posts going from one platform to another to reply comments on things that will not in any way benefit you. This man can come out tomorrow with his wife and say, we have reconciled, it was just a minor disagreement. What will you have achieved? Monday is the set day, just tomorrow here. And so, I wish you all the best. And I wish you what you wish yourself. Thank you so much.